Hello everybody, this is Divya here, and today we're gonna discuss on foods which really help on sound and refreshing sleep. Sleep is a very important, role in the throughout your life. I mean, once the day is on, there is a night which hits where you require to sleep. But currently, the lifestyle demand, the practical issues, and because of the shift timings, everybody, the work demanding as such, people are trying to sleep late nights and people are trying to sleep in the morning. But our body is not depend or used to in that way. Our body mechanism, it works very faster or really active when the sun is on. But after post sunset, your body mechanism slows down and it is required to sleep. And almost at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is really required when your brain and your whole body gets re-energized. It requires a replenish time in the body. So the more and more the sleep time gets shorter, the more and more stress levels and the cortisol levels of your body is going to go higher. So people who are been not having a sound and refreshing sleep, a good amount of sleep, automatically the cortisol levels of your body will go on increasing, and automatically the belly fat accumulations chances are very higher. So people on a longer run or not sleeping properly will have a belly fat storage is higher and they can develop a paunch. This has been proven already as well. But there are certain foods which will help you to sleep better, will have a very good sound refreshing snoozing time as well. So what is the foods we're going to discuss it now? For example, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese tops the list because it has very good amount of tryptophan in it. Tryptophan is one enzyme which is responsible for secreting serotonin. It has the calming effect in the body. Until or unless serotonin in your body is not elevated and it is not secreted, you will not sleep better. You cannot feel the sleep. So at the same time, there is one more enzyme like melatonin which will regulate your sleeping pattern, like wake up time and sleeping time. So these being regulated, there are certain foods which takes care of all these. For example, oats as such, which is a high fiber food and releases the carbohydrate in a very slower pace. It doesn't release the glucose level just like that into your blood. So it is very much lower in a rate. So once this is get into your diet, if you are taking it frequent, your sleep gets improved on a longer run because of the tryptophan which is being released, and in turn it helps in releasing the serotonin. Next, the food which is very much responsible is like milk, as there is always a saying say that warm milk should be taken before your sleep. It helps in improving your sleep as such. It can be taken along with honey as well for a sweetening effect. What it actually does is the warm milk as such has a tryptophan content in it, and because of the warm content you feel more soothing to have it. At the same time, it has calcium effect in it, so immediately the serotonin neurotransmitter and the calcium as such will give you a soothing effect, and immediately you will be having a very good sleep. Whenever you feel you are not having a good sound refreshing sleep, or there are some alterations or disturbed sleep, definitely make sure that you include certain tryptophan rich foods or melatonin secreted foods, so that the serotonin has been adequately secreted and you will have a sound refreshing sleep. Thank you so much.